ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಘೋಷಣೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನ ದ್ವಿಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿಯವರು ಜಯ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚುನಾವಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಕೆವಿಯವರು ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ ವಿತರಿಸಿದರು.
The Karnataka Educational and Charitable Trust was established in 1994 with an aim to impart the education and services in medical and paramedical field. The campus is spread in a vast area accommodating Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College, SCS College of Nursing Science, Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College Hospital and hostels in an independent building. SCS College of Nursing. Courses offered: Basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing. Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College offers undergraduation BA MS and post-graduation courses MS and MD in Ayurveda. The Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College Hospital offers inpatient and outpatient department, physiotherapy, X-ray, ultrasound, laboratory, pharmacy, OT and LT with treatments like Akshitarpana, Alepa Bhashpasveda, Katibasti, Nadi Sveda Parisheka, Pinda Sveda Shirodhara, Valuka Sveda Vrana Prakshalana by well-trained and leading consultants. For more information, please contact Karnataka Educational and Charitable Trust, KECT Towers, Hoige Bail, Ashok Nagar, Mangaluru.